So I'm going to show you how our feed post option works, and the way you use this with RSS Multi-Importer is you just go to feeds, and just like we do with our short code, you just put in the name of the feed. Like I'm going to do it for The Verge, and then I'm going to bring in, that's their URL for their RSS feed, and then you just kind of save it. And you'll notice that I've assigned it to a category. I have a number of categories that I've already set up here, and so when you put in a new feed, you can just assign it to a category. So this is assigned to technology. Alright, so once I have it set, and I can set up a number of feeds, I can have the feeds go into various categories, just click on Feed Post, and what you'll see here is that I'll have to click to activate this feature, and I can set the feature to run, basically go and get the feeds every hour or every 10 minutes or twice daily. I'm going to set it for an hour. I can choose how I want it published, the number of entries per feed, and a number of other settings here. I can show also the feed and the author name if it's available, and I can either show or suppress the feed source. I can have these feeds go into my blog using a specific user if I know their user ID, so that would go there. I can set the minimum size of the images so that they're big or small, however I want them. I can add social icons to it. Then down here, what I can do is I can restrict the feeds to go and place them into specific blog categories. And so on my site here, what I have is I have a number of categories, and one of the categories is technology. That category, if I look at the category ID, is number 3. And this are the categories that we have on our plugin. And so I want to pull in the technology, which we know is The Verge, because it's been assigned to that category. And so it's going to go into category 3, which is also technology. So I'll just kind of save the settings here. You'll notice if I want to add another category, I can just do that. All right, so now we're ready to go. Every hour, if you just let it go, new posts will start to arrive on your website. If you want to see what it looks like, we'll just click to fetch the feeds right now. The most recent feeds have been put in the post. So let's just go and we'll see what it looks like. And there they are. And they've all been assigned to the technology category. And if I want to view what they look like, well, that's how they look. And if I go, for example, to see what the, let's see if I can get this. This would be like all of the, this would be, let's see here, I'm going to just get this right here. So this is like all the posts, and there they are. So they just kind of came in and they're ready for if somebody wants to comment on them, they can comment on them. And that's how our feed post option works.